Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our new products. On my left hand, this unit is food trailers. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. And the entire unit length about like 85 inches. And the overall weight is about like 75 inches. And the overall height is almost like 84 inches. As you can see, the unit's front have a big hinge. And the overall length is about like 65 inches. As you can see, we're having the rear brake system lights connection right here. It's a single port. And for the hinge, they have a dual securities on it. This chain and these lockers. And this is a wheel, you can just adjust it, adjust height right here. And also you can move the space to the horizon side when you're moving the trailers. And we have all the spaces from the stickers at the front. You can see all information right here. For these trailers, they are about like 650 kilograms for the units. And we're having the generator connections at the front. This is a US stylings 3-plug at the front. And let me show the inner side. As you can see, the back side, we have the tail lights right here on the both sides, and the entry door at the behind too, a locker in the middle. Let's take a look at the sizes for the door. And the door, when you open it, you can squeeze it and pull it up. So let's see the sizes. The entry doors, it's about like 29 inches wide. And the overall height is about like 70 inches. And let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. For the inner side, you can see we're having double side open windows. And this is a locker right here. You can simply push it. And they can open for the both sides. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, the lights on the top, and have a switchers on top of the door side. You can open and close it. And the units preset the generator hookup right here. The electric box connect with at the front. And we're having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a total 8. The electric plug stations on the units is pretty set as well. And let's take a look at the units inner side overall sizes. For the windows, they are about like 68 inches wide. And the overall height is about like 36 inches. The two side the window space is the same. And let's see the space for the units. For the length, about 72.5 inches. For the overall height, it's about like 82 inches. And at the station, the inner side, we're having a stage right here. The stage is about like 3.5 inches tall. And for the curve for this side, it's about like 33 inches tall entirely. And also have space cover for the wheels. For this one, the cover, it's about like 4 inches tall. And 27.5 inches in the width. And 11 inches in the depth. That's all the information about the units. And the entire length is 82 inches as well. Okay, that's all the information about the units. And if you have more questions, please contact us.